How to add Facebook avatar cover photo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually add Facebook avatar cover photos, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually add Facebook avatar's cover photo, all you have to do is just go ahead and then simply launch the Facebook app first. Then once you launch Facebook app, just come to your profile page. If you wanted to add a normal cover photo, you would tap on it, you would select upload photo, and then you would have to choose the photo from your gallery to be able to upload as a cover photo. But this is not what we're going to do. We want to actually upload our avatar, which is a cartoonish like icon that Facebook makes for us, or also known as like AR emoji or something similar to that, to our cover photo, right? So for that, if you look on your cover photo, you can see this little blue icon, which is the cover photo icon. So just tap on this icon here and it will simply load our avatar. So first of all, if you have not yet created your avatar, you simply want to go ahead and then make sure to create your avatar first. And then after you choose a avatar and then select a skin tone and then just make all of this, you can simply add this avatar to your Facebook cover photo. So let me go ahead and then quickly walk you through this process as well. So now once it's been updated, just tap on next and now you can be able to use this avatar for your cover photo. This is simply how you can actually use the avatar as your cover photo, as you can see at the back, and then just tap and continue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.